dale.
Yeah.
Once it stops again, click it para atrás, real quick. And fucking set it.
You got it.
We'll get your captain.
Ready yourself? You got it. Set your drag. Set your drag. Set your drag.
Funny here.
Está corriendo. Mira.
That's good. Let it. Just let it go. Don't tighten it up anymore. Just leave it right there. Tighten it up a little bit more. Tighten it a little bit more.
No, let Omar do it.
Right there. There you go.
Do something, Papa.
There you go. There you go.
Maybe a thresher, maybe.
You're doing it good. You're doing a good job.
It's a big one, maybe.
Let it. Funny here.
Maybe the berry, no?
Go fast. Go fast.
You use a track now.
Yeah.
I have it before I have the Jackson, alright?
Go fast, man. It's coming in. Everybody that has a line.
Watch out, you leaning with your head. If you want me to record.
Come over here, fool. I'll get stuff.
Don't stop, because that's what we
Oh, yeah, I see it. I think it's a berry, fool. Yeah, I think it's it.
If it starts going out, let it run out, okay? Don't fight it, because you'll burn your bearings,
You
all
never
right?
know the thrasher, fool. You never know the thrasher. You never know.
Just chill out, relax. Just take control of your reel.
Follow
it.
You use Jackson a lot.
Follow it.
Ahí está. Oh, it's coming this way.
Can see it.
I think it's a thresher, fool. Bring the line. Sorry. Mucho, get there. Look at me recording the Oh, mira.
Now you got it in control there. Now you can control it from there. You just pick it up. Pick your rod straight up. Have your rod straight up. Have it out of the water. And then you guys take control of it.